Children, how are you? Hoping all of you are fine and safe. Dear students, today we are going to start chapter number 4, Simple Machine. Answer in detail. Let us see question number 4. How does an inclined plane work as a simple machine? Answer. An inclined plane is a slanting surface which connects two points at different heights so that heavier object can be moved up or down, ups and down easily. It reduces the effort needed to lift object but does not reduces the amount of work. Its mechanical advantage is greater than 1, hence it acts as a force multiplier. In this way it acts as a simple machine. Now we'll see question number 5. Discuss the types of pulley. Pulley are helpful in lifting heavy loads. Pulley are of two main types: fixed pulley and movable pulley. In fixed pulley, the pulley is attached to a hook or a wall and does not move. In movable pulley, the effort is reduced for pulling the load. It has an advantage that one has to push or pull the pulley up and down. Now we'll see question number 6. Write a note on wheel and axle. Answer. A wheel and axle arrangement consists of a wheel attached to a cylindrical rod or shaft called the axle. The wheel and the axle must move together to form a simple machine. The wheel and axle arrangement is used either as a force multiplier or as a speed multiplier. It is used in pedals of a cycle, doorknobs, screwdriver, etc. Now we'll see question number 7. Explain the efficiency of a machine. Why is the efficiency of a machine always less than 100%? Answer. The ratio of the work done by a machine to the work done on the machine is termed as efficiency of a machine. Therefore, we can say efficiency is equal to work done by a machine upon work done on a machine. That is equal to output energy upon input energy. For an ideal machine, the total output energy must be equal to the total input energy. But this does not happen as some of the input energy is used up in overcoming the friction between different parts of the machine and as heat from the working parts of the machine, so output energy is always less than the input energy. Now we'll see question number 8. Why is there a need to take care of machine? How can we maintain our machine? Answer. We should take care of them so that they have a long life. Following are some ways in which we can maintain our machine for longer period. First, cover the machine when not in use. Second, keep the machine at clean places away from dirt and moisture, since moisture can cause rusting. Third, oil or grease the parts of machines regularly. This reduces friction and avoid wear and tear of the machines. So this is our question answer. So in this way we have completed this chapter number 4. So dear students, we will see next in the next class. Thank you.